What's up, millionaires, billionaires? Today we'll be driving to government house, Awka. So to all my Awka people and you're in the diaspora, you need to watch this video. If you don't know who I am Paul Uwokwe, a real estate authority based here in Awka. I bring you real estate investment opportunities right here. Okay, let's go. Without further ado, I just want you to watch this video to the end and let me know what you think about this new development. And I think Awka is getting to a point where it will start competing with other eastern states. To be honest, Governor Saludo is doing an amazing job right here, and I think he needs his flowers. Yeah, so anyone in the diaspora and you want to have a house here in Awka, you should get the house ASAP, because I'm seeing that price of house in Awka will start increasing pretty soon. So this is the best time to buy. So let me leave you to watch this video. Okay, yeah. Ndị be anyị ebe a ka na-agba ụkwụ na break. So ọ bụ na easy gị watch video m, kindly subscribe, then ọ bụ na ị like ihe na-eme, share, like and follow. Okay, bye bye.